Hi guys, this is Jadirah Sarmad. I hope you cannot see too much of the mess in my room and more of me and my stuff. So basically, I am about to go traveling. I am traveling to Lahore tomorrow. I just thought that I'll pack my makeup on camera and show you guys what all I'm carrying. Now please ignore the messy setup. सबसे पहले ये करते हैं कि मेकअप बैग खाली करते हैं. I was actually recently shooting outdoors, तो उसके लिए मैंने ये मेकअप बैग अपना तैयार किया था, बट अभी हम इसको दोबारा से करते हैं सब कुछ. So let's go in the order of things I will need. सबसे पहले let's keep this aside, which is my eyebrow gel. This is by ABH and it's in the shade medium brown. इसको साइड में रखते हैं. This will be going in the bag, but हम अच्छे से सेट करके रखेंगे सारी चीज़ें. Then what do I see? What do we need next? Acha, okay. Let's just get the palettes out of let's just get the palettes out of the way next. So I am thinking of carrying this Huda Beauty palette because probably. This is a rose gold palette and it's my basically sorry shades, like this has all the neutral shades. Then this also has like all of these shimmery shadi wale shades, and then I'm not going on a wedding by the way. And then it also has like these darker cool tone ones, so it could be nice for a smoky eye or something. I think this is a good palette, which I can't believe I'm saying this, but I was looking at my collection and I was like, yeah, this is one palette I can travel with because it has pretty much everything that I would use and I would need. So I'm taking this along, even though बहुत महंगा पैलेट है, but let's put it to good use. So that's that. I think मैं अपना फाउंडेशन वगैरह एंड में फिगर आउट करती हूँ या पहले करूँ, क्या करूँ. ओके, ब्राउज हो गया, आईज हो गया, लेट्स गो इन दैट ऑर्डर. उसके बाद लेट्स जस्ट पिक अ हाइलाइटर. आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ टेकिंग दिस मास्टर क्रोम हाईलाइट विद मी, द मेबेलिन वन. मोल्टन गोल्ड इज द शेड. यार ये मुझे बहुत जतन करके मिला था. आई लिटरली मतलब मैंने चप्पा चप्पा छान मारा था कराची का, एंड उसके बाद मुझे ये मिला था लकी वन के हाइपर स्टार में, एंड दिस वाज लाइक द ओनली पीस लेफ्ट. सो I'm carrying this as my highlight. मैं इन boxes में by the way store करती हूँ. ये PR boxes होते हैं and they're like quite big. So उसमें I like to keep my stuff. I'm not taking anything unnecessary. I'm a very smart packer actually. For blush, I am taking this Golden Rose one. इसका कोई नाम ऐसा है नहीं. It's called Golden Rose Silky Touch Blush on and it's in the shade 207. It's a very beautiful peach shade and I like kind of like orangish peachy shades. So ये बहुत natural look देता है. I don't like over the top blushes. I'm going to keep my Pro HD Contour Palette. This is by Makeup Revolution and this is in the shade light medium. This basically has a lot of shades. So these three are the ones that I use for contouring and I just mix them. मगर इसमें ये है कि like if I ever need other shades, थोड़ा creative look or something like that, I can always dip into it. So this is the one that I'm taking with me and I don't think कि मैं और कोई इतने hefty palettes लेके जाऊँगी. But these two are the ones that I'm definitely going with. And उसके बाद obviously I'm taking one eyeliner and this is the LA Special Artkitekt one. This is super old and even though मैंने इसका backup March में खरीदा था, मगर इसका backup as it is रखा हुआ and I still use this. So I'll be carrying that with me. ये wing liner मैं इसी से daily करती हूँ. I just love it. So I'm taking my eye primer. This is by Luscious Angel Eyes. ये मैं लेके जा रही हूँ for especially base for those foiled shadows. And then mascara, I'm carrying this Rock and Roll mascara by Essence. And क्या रखें और I will be carrying lashes, तो मैं lash glue रख रही हूँ. And I don't think मैं lashes इतना पहनूंगी, but you never know, I might want to. So I'm carrying my favorite ones, which are these Co Natural Allure lashes. I just love the way they are. I love the way they feather out. I'm carrying my banana powder. This is by Kryolan. Not the best banana powder, not the finest, but it gets the job done and I like to use it with a powder brush. So I'm carrying that. Let's move on to primers and foundation. So for primer, I am thinking I will keep my Ride or Die Makeup Forever HD primer. This is really nice. It's for blurring. And I think I want to carry my Beautify by AMNA 24K Gold and Roses Glowing Face Serum. Super popular. By the way, you can use my code JS118 to get some discount and some free goodies. I'm carrying this because I have really dry skin and I like to have a little bit of oily serum under my makeup so that my face does not feel too dry. So I'm carrying that. Concealer, I'll be carrying my Sweet Touch Magic Concealer. This is in the shade Tan. It's very close to my skin tone and it looks on point all the time. So I'm getting that. And kya carry kar foundation, I'm thinking I'll carry this Revlon Photo Ready. I'm almost out of it, but I'll be carrying this. It's in the shade Nude. And it's my favorite foundation because it's very lightweight. Okay guys, for my makeup sponge, I'm keeping this Zephyte Mr. Perfect sponge. And for my color corrector, I'm keeping this NYX Orange Color Corrector. It's really cute and nice. It's really nice. And let's move on to lipsticks.
My old lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed? So
that's everything for this video. I will be putting these in my makeup bag now. And this video will probably be up while I am in Lahore. So stay tuned for more Lahore videos, Lahore vlogs. I've got a lot of fun things planned. I hope everything goes well. I'll see you guys soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye.
My old lovers fall into my covers where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear.